Dobrý deň, vítajte v Berlíne. Toto je výstava IFA 2011. Dneska je 31. augusta. Sme tu skôr ako ktorýkoľvek novinár zo Slovenska a v tomto videu uvidíte všetko podstatné, čo sa na IFE v roku 2011 stalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear representatives of media, a warm welcome to IFA 2011. So IFA is the right show at the right time. It gives strong impetus to the peak season of the year. In every European country, more and more HD programs become available, bringing the quality of large high-resolution TV screens to their full brilliance. In addition to more and more Blu-ray titles in 3D, privately generated content available through an increasing number of 3D cameras and camcorders is driving the 3D revolution.
This will be the strongest IFA ever. The number of media attendances, pre-registered visitors and rented space is higher than ever before, so we are looking forward to a great event.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am proud to say that this Tesla car, which brought me onto the stage, is powered by our battery technology. This car enables sustainable mobility and through our technology provides the most kilometer per charge. Through the acquisition of Sanyo, we have not only strengthened our battery business, but also added a solar energy business to our product portfolio.
Here we have another photo opportunity. We have the AG3D-P1, the camera recorder, which will actually be used in London 2012. So feel free to take some photographs.
This year, with the mission of creating new and exciting television experience, we have been promoting Vera based on the two main pillars of Full HD 3D and IPTV. We have achieved absolutely stunning picture quality. Our new technology of neoplasma with the improved luminance efficiency, the new Luba filter and new light emitting process, and LCD with the improvement of our IPS alpha panel, ultra high-speed scan technology, and 3D high-speed technology. All these technologies have resulted in providing the best black levels and the lowest crosstalk levels, which is important for high picture quality. We announce our new vision in Smart Vera to realize digital heart in smart life by creating new and exciting TV experience. What makes Vera Connect different from other competitors? The performance of smart TV function on most of our competitors depend on the internal memory of the TV. However, Vera Connect is cloud-based system architecture, so we can provide you with unlimited number of various apps. We will open Vera Connect Market, which gives you a wider selection of applications and accessories and make your experience more entertaining.
I'd like to introduce you now what we call the Vera Connect Market. And what is Vera Connect Market? Well, it's an application on our IPTV portal. You click with your remote control on the icon called Market, and that is the first virtual store from Panasonic. So that's a place where you can buy things. So you can buy software, or you can also buy hardware, for instance. So software is categorized by theme, so music, sports, or social networking. You can just, click on those applications, either pay for them, either some of them are free, and they will install on your TV. So you can really customize your television. Shopping, if I go in the shopping section, then here you can see, you can also buy hardware. For instance, the latest 3D glasses from Panasonic, 26 grams only, or game pads or keyboards, communication camera. Well, everything you need to connect to your TV and to make your TV expand its features. If I go back to application, let's try to buy something. Okay, let's go through the purchase process, and I'll choose a game. So Asphalt 5, okay, released by our partner Gameloft. You can see the price here in the description, €4.99. So €4.99 to acquire that game, to buy it. So I click on it, and the system will ask me what is my PIN. So I have set up an account with my credit card. I click on continue, and now it will just summarize my order. So I'll see the price is €4.99, tax €0.80. So I'm clicking on purchase, and now the transaction will be set up. So the TV is communicating with a cloud server and initiating the transaction so that I can play that game. I can then choose either to download it now, and when I say download, I can just download it on an SD card, and then the SD card goes in the TV, or I can also choose to download later, so let's say later now. And now what you see, what's happening is on my home screen, here I have my game. So I just bought a game, and now it's becoming part of my environment. That's what Viera Market can provide. You probably also notice here that there's a new icon here for the people that are familiar with Viera Connect called Social TV, and that's quite interesting. There's been a tidal wave about social networking over the internet. Now the key question is, how to bring the two worlds together, how to bring the TV world broadcasting with social networking. I have an idea, just follow me, I have something to show you. So here what you can see for the first time is an application, for instance, that runs on Twitter. It could run on other social networking application. And here this allows you to watch a television channel. So you can see here the window, you're watching a live television channel. So here it's sport channel or partner. And at the same time, you can read the threads. So the tweets that you decided to follow, they are appearing here, and you can live answer to them. So to do that, you need a Viera Connect television, and you need an input device. So here, for instance, keyboard, wireless keyboard, is quite practical. But we could also do it via iPad. And so let me try with iPad. iPad, by the way, also controls our TV's 2011 models, so I can also change the channels. So for instance, with my iPad, I'm watching the broadcast, I'm going on my Viera Connect portal, easy to use. And then what I'll do, I'll go on the social TV icon, here we go, I'm pushing. And this opens my social networking application. And then I can see the tweets. I can then go on the right side and select one tweet. For instance, somebody said, "Hello, Mr. Roth, how are you today?" Okay, I'm fine. So I will say reply. This is all live. This is connected to the internet, so we're using servers. So I will say, "I'm fine." That's what I'm typing in now. Yeah? I'm fine. Okay. And then we say done. And now you can see a small flag, updated timeline. That means that my tweet has been sent to the cloud server via the internet, and all the people in the world that are following this thread are able to see that tweet. That is the power of social networking with your television. And if you really want to enjoy a bigger screen, we even have another function. If I push my green button, here we go, I can change the view, so now I have my broadcast almost on full screen, and the tweets are just appearing below. So this is what social networking means, and this is probably going to change the way we're watching TV. Now there is also another way, another thing I wanted to show you is we installed a game, so you probably want to know how this works and how good it is. And here what I have a setup with 4 different TVs. And those TVs are just connected to the internet. So to access my game, the same way, so I will open my IPTV port of Viera Connect. I see my game icon here on top, so I will select the game. And the game has been downloaded on my SD card previously. And what happens, the TV will connect to a remote server. So it's loading the game. And then what I will start to do is try to play with different people. Because that is the new concept. So press start to continue. Okay, I will go quickly multiplayer game. And then I've entered my password. I'm logging in. Okay, so logging into the server. And that's logging into the Panasonic server. Okay. And then I will choose online race. Online race, why? Because I want to play with somebody else. So I want to join a game. And here I can see there's a session that has started, which is called Panasonic IFA. So I will say join. Here we go. I'm ready. And now we will retrieve data from the server, and we try to build the architecture so that several people can play together. So it's now loading. And then normally the people can start the race.
For digital imaging, we recently established a format for full HD 3D and 2D progressive recording. And this autumn, we will launch a top-end video camera, Z10000, which is fully compliant with these formats. This autumn, 2 new compact models will be added to our lineup. FX90 is a new communication camera with built-in Wi-Fi. Users can upload pictures and video anywhere through iPhone or Android smartphones. At home, you can back up images to PC or send images through wireless connection. FZ150 is a new high zoom model. It has improved lens and sensitivity. We are also developing 3D compact camera for this winter. Sophisticated dual lens and image stabilizer will enable photo and HD video in 3D.
Tak a toto je automobil, na ktorom prišiel prezident spoločnosti Panasonic Europe, pán Labadie, na tlačovú konferenciu a vyhlásil, že Panasonic sa bude zaoberať predovšetkým vývojom batérií pre automobily. Takýmto spôsobom na stánku Panasonic je prezentovaná 3D kamera. Samozrejme je to obraz, ktorý dobre vyzerá, ktorý je priestorový a ľudia majú možnosť sledovať nasnímaný obraz cez Panasonic kameru na Panasonic televízoroch. Takže to je priama demonštrácia 3D na stánku z Panasonic. Takže toto je nový spôsob, ktorý predstavil Panasonic, ako je možné trénovať a pritom sledovať obraz na televízore alebo bežať v rozličnom meste. Môžete si vybrať napríklad Las Vegas a bežíte doma v obývačke. Takže konečne môžem aj ja povedať, že som niečo schudol.